Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're so glad to have you here with us today. I read this fascinating study the other day, and it said that women find a certain trait in men incredibly attractive. It's something that might surprise you. Like way more attractive than a six-pack or a fancy car. Yes, you heard that right. Can you guess what it is? I bet you can't. It's not what you typically think of when you imagine attractiveness. It's something that a lot of guys don't even realize is a big deal. But trust me, it is. It's often overlooked but incredibly powerful. We're talking about those subtle things. The things that make you, you. The little quirks and unique traits that set you apart. The qualities that make you the kind of person people just want to be around. It's all about being genuine and authentic. And the best part? You don't need a gym membership or a winning lottery ticket to start working on them. These traits are accessible to everyone. So if you're ready to turn up the charm and become absolutely irresistible, keep watching because we're about to break down 10 traits that women find incredibly attractive. These are game changers. Get ready to take some notes, fellas. You won't want to miss this. Chapter 1. Confidence is key. Okay, first up, let's talk about confidence. And no, I don't mean the kind of confidence that makes you brag or act like you're better than everyone else. That's just annoying. Real confidence is quiet. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. It's about knowing your worth and not being afraid to show it. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how someone just lights up a room when they walk in? That's confidence. It's magnetic. It draws people in. And the best part? It's something you can cultivate. So stand tall, make eye contact, and believe in yourself. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Chapter 2. Kindness matters. Next up, we've got kindness and empathy. These are two of the most powerful qualities you can possess. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, are you serious? Kindness? In today's world? Yes, I'm serious. Think about the people you enjoy spending time with the most. They are the ones who bring joy and warmth into your life. Aren't they the ones who are kind, compassionate, and genuinely care about others? These are the qualities that make relationships meaningful. Kindness is about more than just holding doors open or saying please and thank you. It's about making a real difference in someone's day. It's about having a good heart and showing it through your actions. It's about treating everyone with respect, even if you don't agree with them. Respect is the foundation of any strong relationship. And empathy? That's about being able to put yourself in someone else's shoes and understand their perspective. It's about connecting on a deeper level. It's about being there for someone when they're going through a tough time. Your support can mean the world to them. Trust me, kindness and empathy are qualities that will make you stand out from the crowd in the best way possible. They are the true markers of a great person. Chapter 3. Laughter is the best medicine. Alright, let's talk about humor. Who doesn't love a good laugh, right? A good sense of humor is like a breath of fresh air. It lightens the mood, it breaks the ice, and it makes people feel good. But here's the thing. Humor isn't about being a stand-up comedian or constantly cracking jokes. It's about being able to laugh at yourself, find the humor in everyday situations, and make the people around you smile. And you know what? Laughter is contagious. When you're having a good time and making others laugh, it creates a positive and memorable connection. So don't be afraid to be a little silly, tell a funny story, or just embrace the lighter side of life. Chapter 4. The Art of Listening. Okay, this next one is so important. Being a good listener. It's a skill that can transform your relationships and interactions. In a world full of people who love to talk about themselves, being a good listener is like a superpower. It sets you apart and makes you memorable. It shows that you're genuinely interested in what the other person has to say. It's a way to show respect and build trust. It shows that you value their thoughts and opinions. This can lead to deeper and more meaningful connections. And let's be honest, who doesn't love feeling heard and understood? It's a fundamental human need. So put down your phone, make eye contact, and really listen when someone is talking to you. This small act can make a big difference. Ask questions, show empathy, and let them know that you're fully present in the conversation. Engage with their words and emotions. You'll be amazed at the connections you can make by simply being a good listener. It's a powerful way to enrich your life and the lives of others. Chapter 5, Passion Ignites the Spark. All right, let's talk about passion. Passion is contagious. When you're passionate about something, it shows. Your eyes light up, you talk with excitement, and you radiate positive energy. It doesn't matter what you're passionate about, whether it's your work, a hobby, a cause, or anything else that gets you fired up. When you're passionate, you become more interesting, more engaging, and more attractive to others. So don't be afraid to let your passions shine through. Talk about the things that excite you, share your interests with others, and let your enthusiasm be contagious. Chapter 6, Authenticity is Attractive. You know, in a world full of filters and perfectly curated online personas, there's something incredibly refreshing about authenticity. Being authentic means being true to yourself, even when it's not always easy or popular. It means embracing your quirks, your flaws, and everything that makes you unique. And you know what? People can spot a fake a mile away. When you're trying to be someone you're not, it shows. It's in your body language, your tone of voice, and your overall energy. So be yourself. Don't be afraid to let your true colors shine through. The right people will appreciate you for who you are, not who you pretend to be. Chapter 7, Taking Care of Yourself Matters. Okay, let's talk about physical fitness and health. Now, before you start thinking you need to have a six-pack and run a marathon, hear me out. Taking care of your physical health isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about having energy, vitality, and the confidence that comes from knowing you're taking care of yourself. And you know what? When you feel good, it shows. You radiate health and vitality, and that's attractive. So, find activities you enjoy, whether it's going for walks, hitting the gym, dancing, or anything else that gets you moving. Chapter 8, Choose Positivity. Let's talk about attitude. You know, life is too short to be negative all the time. A positive attitude can make all the difference in the world, not just for you, but for the people around you. When you approach life with optimism and gratitude, it's contagious. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate positivity. So, focus on the good things in your life. Practice gratitude, surround yourself with positive people, and choose to see the glass as half full. Chapter 9, Ambition is Inspiring. Okay, let's talk about ambition. Having goals and aspirations shows that you're driven, motivated, and passionate about something bigger than yourself. It shows that you're not content with just coasting through life. You want to make a difference. And you know what? Ambition is inspiring. It's contagious. When you're around someone who is ambitious and driven, it makes you want to up your own game. So don't be afraid to dream big. Set goals, work hard, and go after what you want in life. Chapter 10, Be Supportive. Last but not least, let's talk about being supportive and encouraging. Everyone needs someone in their corner, someone who believes in them, supports their dreams, and celebrates their successes. Being supportive isn't about solving everyone's problems or having all the answers. It's about being there for the people you care about, listening without judgment, and offering words of encouragement when they need it most. So, be the person who lifts others up, who celebrates their victories, and who offers a shoulder to cry on when times get tough. So there you have it, folks. 10 amazing traits that are way more attractive than a six-pack. Remember, true attractiveness comes from within. It's about being the best version of yourself and letting your inner light shine through. Now I want you to take a moment to think about these traits. Which ones come naturally to you? Which ones could you work on a little bit? Remember, personal growth is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the positivity. Thanks for watching.